गौरव का विषय है। इस स्टेडियम में उपस्थित छात्र एवं अधिकारीगण आपके प्रेरणादायक विचारों को सुनने के लिए उत्साहित है सर। मैं श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि अपने आशीर्वचनों से हम सभी को संबोधित करें।
बोलिए भारत माता की, भारत माता की
जय।
तेलंगाना स्टेट की ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ तेलंगाना श्री ए रेवनाथ जी रेड्डी, डॉक्टर वी समीर कामत, सेक्रेटरी डीडी R&D and चेयरमैन DRDO, Dr. G. Satish Reddy, President Aeronautical Society of India, Dr. Sri U. Raja Babu, DG Missiles and Strategic System, Mr. Naresh, Indian founder, Kalam Institute of the Excellence, Sri K. Viswesvaraya Reddy, Member of Parliament, Sri A. K. Gandhi, MLA, Sri Srinivas Reddy, Chairman, Sports Authority of Telangana, senior officials, academicians, industry partners, young and bright students who are gathered here in large number, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be present on this grand stage addressing you all on the historic occasion of the National Science Day. I am very happy to see this huge gathering of the young, inquisitive and energetic minds present in this great setting. I feel the vibes of positivity in each one of you and am enthused to communicate with you with all my earnestness. Friends, as we know, 20th February is celebrated to honor the discovery of Raman effect by Sri C.V. Raman. On this day, in 1928, Sri Raman discovered that when light is scattered by the molecules, it undergoes change in wavelength. This discovery was significant in physics and earned Sri Raman the Nobel Prize in 1930. The day is celebrated as National Science Day since 1986 with the aim to inspire people, to pursue scientific knowledge and to emphasize the role science plays in shaping our present and our future. Friends, I think this is the great occasion for us. Friends, the National Science Day is one such occasion which not only commemorates the achievements of our scientists, but also encourages the younger generations to take up science and innovation for national development. As you may be aware that this year's theme of the National Science Day is empowering Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation for Viksit Bharat. This theme is truly reflective of new India's aspiration for progress through innovation and global scientific leadership. Friends, I would like to share with you a special affinity that I personally have with this subject. I have been a student of science in my academic years and was a lecturer in physics early on before entering public life. The day resonates with my own journey, reminding me of the power of curiosity, questioning, and exploration, the very foundation of modern science. Friends, it has been my lifelong endeavor to encourage these values, knowing that they are the driving force behind innovation and progress. It is in this context that I feel blessed to address this magnificent gathering today. As I see the multitude of the young people gathered here, I would like to start with a brief historical perspective of human evolution. through the journey of the scientific development since the bringing of history, it is a sweeping, although very brief, account for my young friends here to make them understand how human evolution and the scientific progress have been so intertwined. Friends, as some of you would be aware, life started on Earth some 4 billion years ago when some organisms came into being. Throughout this incredibly long journey since, these organisms diversified and multiplied into species of the innumerable forms. There is a general agreement among scholars that the modern human being arrived around 70,000 years ago. These were times when population was very less and land, forests, rivers, rocks in abundance.